I created this look using Dollar Tree and Too Faced. What you will need from Dollar Tree is the Mercier's All Eyes Pressed Eyeshadow Palette, the 3-pan in Tumbleweed and Lotus, and Make Me Up. This has been a real workhorse here. Okay, let's begin. So the first shade I'll be using from Too Faced is right there, Sweetie Pie. And I'm just going to put that on the lid up into the crease. I love this color. From Dollar Tree, I'll be using the Mercier palette in this shade right here. This doesn't have as much of the yellow tone in it, but that's okay. They look pretty close, so I'm fine with that. The next shade from the Too Faced palette is Spice Spice Baby, and it's right there. And I'm going to be putting that along the lash line on the movable lid and into the crease. Oh, there's Blue doing his on his back thing again. Yes, oh boy, Sweetie Pie. And under the eye. So from the Make Me Up palette, it's shade number 2, and it's this one right here. And I'm putting that in the same spot as I did the Too Faced. I thought I was going to have to deepen this shade up with Tumbleweed, but I don't know. Well, maybe. You don't have to, because this is really pretty, but I want to match. And this one here is a little bit browner than this one. This one is a little more red. So yeah, I probably do need the Tumbleweed in there. And I take it under as well. So I'm taking the middle shade here from Tumbleweed, and I'm going to place that on top. Okay, that makes it identical. Brown on top of the red. Yeah, that's perfect. I also added a little bit of yellow from the Urban 12-pan palette, just right here. This is optional, obviously, just to give this outer corner a little bit of the yellow that this outer corner has. And that worked out perfectly. That just came to my head to do, so I did it. All right. The next shade from the Too Faced palette is Fall Vibes, and it's right there. I love this shade, the sparkly goodness. And I'm putting that in the inner corner, up into the crease. And a little bit over top of right there, the middle of the lid. If you don't have that gold glitter that I used in my St. Patrick's Day look, this would work. I realize you probably haven't seen that video, but I used a gold glitter. This would work fine for that. Okay, wipe off the brush, and I'm going into Lotus, and I'm going into this shade right there. I don't know how this is going to go. I've never done this. Oh my goodness, look at that. The Too Faced is chunkier, but that's okay. Like the sparkles are chunkier, but you're not going to tell from a distance. And the tone is exactly the same. Yeah, you're not going to tell. This is beautiful. And if I could find my gold, I'd put it on top of it. Okay, guys, I found it. I'm going to put this gold on top of the Lotus just to give it the same sparkle that the Too Faced has. Cheating. Oh, this is even prettier. So now I have to add it on the other side because this side is even prettier than this side now. So I'm just going to do that. It's fine. We'll just damp up both sides so that they look identical. Oh, guys, this gold glitter. Oh, Dollar Tree. Ioni. Run, don't walk. Amazing. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so just fixing. What do we think? I think it worked out perfectly. And you don't need to do this glitter stuff. I just did because I have to go out. But if you only have the Lotus palette, then you're golden. Okay, so I'm going to go and do my eyes off camera and Revlon colorstay in 150 buff, and I'll be right back. So for my contour, I use the Glow Up Wand in Fair Medium from bpure, as well as Shimmering Pearl for my highlighter. Come on now. I used Ioni's Warm Rose for my blush, and I used LA Colors Brow Powder in Universal for my brows. So we have 3 colors to choose from for lips today. Avon's Toasted Rose, which is just 2 rose. That's not going to work. Maybelline's Creator, well, speaks for itself. And CoverGirl's Honey Bloom. I think this is the one we're going with right here. So to line my lips, I just use the LA Colors eyeliner brow pencil in dark brown instead of Stone, MAC Stone. I just wanted to show you how easy this color matches it. It's a dupe. This is a pinky nude, I would say. It's not a beige, it's a pink. I think they discontinued these. CoverGirl did. I'm not sure. I know that they have a new line of lipstick. I just haven't checked it out because I went to buy it one time and it had changed color and I'm like, no, I think you can keep your lipstick, CoverGirl. I'm surprised they didn't remove it from the shelves. That is very pretty. I really like this color. I just realized I didn't even have to add my Cosmic today. This eye look is amazing. So there is the finished look, guys. What do you think? I think it's beautiful. So thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you. All the subscribers, I really appreciate you. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!